These are the days, right here, right now.
Builders, contractors, investors, experienced renovators, I'm calling your name.
Them somehow.
Because I found your next project and this is what you're buying.
The simple little things. These are the days that
Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This house is simply waiting for you to finish it. But if you have the experience and the vision, look at what you're starting with. Over 4,000 square feet, open concept design. A dramatic stone fireplace. Exposed brick wall. 9 skylights. An A-frame architecture. Multiple decks. Heated kidney-shaped saltwater pool. Now, if you need some idea, let me show you.
so plain until they were gone. Nobody tells you this part. You really know this joy while you're inside it. It feels too small, too normal to matter until it's a memory, and you give anything to have it back. These are the days, right here, right now.
But here is the part you can't renovate into a property, the location. This property comes with 130 feet of deeded lake access to a private resident-only beach on Lake Simcoe.
These are the days that make
So whether you're looking for a major project to finish for yourself, or a builder or an investor looking for your next opportunity, you're not just buying what's here today, you're buying the potential. You're buying the location, and you're buying the Lake Simcoe lifestyle.
you still have the people, still have the time, still have the chances right in front of your eyes. Stop waiting.